Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemical Adda. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics from process engineering and economics, that is the straight line method of depreciation. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what is straight line method of depreciation and how to calculate depreciation and asset value by using this method. So, make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright, let's begin. So, let us first understand what is the straight line method of depreciation. So, in the straight line method for determining depreciation, it is assumed that the value of the property decreases linearly with time. So in other words, we assume that depreciation occurs linearly over the entire service life of the asset, and that is why it is called the straight line method. And because of this assumption, equal amounts of depreciation are charged every year throughout the useful life of the property. And therefore, every year, the asset loses the same amount of value. Now let us see the formula for annual depreciation cost. So according to straight line method, the formula for annual depreciation is annual depreciation is equal to initial value minus salvage value divided by service life, which can be written as D is equal to V minus Vs divided by N, where D represents annual depreciation cost in dollars per year. V represents initial value or original cost of the property in dollar. This is the cost when the equipment is completely installed and ready for use. Then Vs represents salvage value in dollar, which is estimated value of the property at the end of its useful life. Then N represents service life, that is, total number of years the property is expected to be in use. Now let's see how to calculate the value of the asset after some years of use using this method. So, the equation for asset value or book value of the equipment at any time during its service life is VA is equal to V minus AD. This equation helps us to find the remaining value of the asset after a certain number of years, where VA represents asset or book value in dollars, and A represents the number of years the asset has actually been used. Now let's understand how to calculate depreciation and book asset value by solving the numerical example based on the straight line method of depreciation. So the example is, the original value of a piece of equipment is $22,000, completely installed and ready for use. So we are given original value of equipment, that is V is equal to $22,000. Then given that its salvage value is estimated to be $2,000 at the end of a service life, estimated to be 10 years. Which means we are given that salvage value, that is Vs, is equal to $2,000. And service life, that is N, is equal to 10 years. Then we have to determine the asset or book value of the equipment at the end of 5 years using straight line method. Which means that we are asked to determine the asset value or book value of the equipment at the end of 5 years using the straight line method of depreciation. Hence we can take time of use, that is A, is equal to 5 years. So in this numerical example, first we will calculate the annual depreciation using the straight line depreciation formula. Then we will subtract the depreciation for 5 years from the original value to get the book value after 5 years. So now, let us solve this example step by step. So the formula for annual depreciation is D is equal to V minus Vs divided by N. So after substituting the given values, we get, after solving this, we get D is equal to $2,000 per year. So, the equipment loses $2,000 in value every year. Now let's calculate book value after 5 years. So we know the formula for book value after a year is VA is equal to V minus A into D. So after substituting the given values, we get, after solving this, we get VA is equal to $12,000. So in this way, using the straight line method of depreciation, we can calculate the asset or book value of the equipment at the end of 5 years is $12,000. In this way, using the formula, we can calculate annual depreciation cost and book value of asset. Now let us talk about how this method is used in practice. So because of its simplicity, the straight line method is widely used for determining depreciation costs. Then design engineers commonly use this method for economic evaluations, unless there is some specific reason for using another depreciation method. But in real situations, it is difficult to estimate the exact service life and salvage value when a property is first put into use. Therefore, during the life of the asset, these values may be re-estimated from time to time. Therefore, if straight-line depreciation is applied separately for each such period, the overall approach is called multiple straight-line depreciation. This method provides a more realistic estimate of asset value when operating conditions change. Now let us see the advantages. So the first advantage is, it is simple and easy to use. Second advantage is, it provides a constant and uniform depreciation expense every year, which makes accounting straightforward. Then the main disadvantage is that, it assumes the asset's value decreases at a constant rate, which may not be realistic for all types of assets. So in this way, in this video we clearly understood, what is the straight line method of depreciation, the formula for annual depreciation, and how to calculate book value using a solved numerical example. If you want more numerical example on this method, please comment in the comment box. So if this explanation helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your classmate, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.